How to enable dark mode on YouTube on PC or laptop. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch any web browser on your PC or laptop. Navigate to search bar at top of your screen and let me type in youtube.com to open the web version of YouTube and press enter on your keyboard. As you can see that currently we have set our YouTube theme to the light mode. To turn on dark mode, simply head towards the profile at top right. Here from this drop-down menu, select Appearance. Now you can easily choose the dark theme or simply use the device theme. Let me choose dark theme. And you need to wait until the changes have been saved. So you can see that we have successfully changed the light theme to the dark theme. And here we have turned on dark mode on YouTube on PC or laptop. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.